Sunny. I'm from Tamil Nadu, South India.
Okay, your
what
name
about
is
you?
Sunny. Actually, my name is Rita and I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
So,
What do you do?
actually, I am a teacher. And how about you? Yes, Yaram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I'm going to share with you wonderful AI application, and believe me, with this wonderful AI application you can easily improve your English fluency. Because you know there are so many people and they have a desire for learning this language, but there is a common problem that they are facing right now, like they have no one with whom they can practice in English. So this is a major problem that most of the people are facing. So in today's video I'm going to share with you your partner, your English speaking partner, and with the help of your partner you can easily improve your English fluency. So yes, without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because that thing gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay friends, actually I have already made a video on this particular AI application, but in today's video I'm going to again share with you this wonderful application, because I know there are so many new subscribers and they haven't watched my that video. So again in today's video I'm going to share with you wonderful AI application. So this application name is Civi, SIVI. Now, before getting into the video, I just want to share with you some important features about this application. So the very first feature is that you can talk to your co-learners and with strangers in this language. I mean to say English language. You can talk minimum 30 minutes. So yes, you have a lot time for speaking English speaking practice with this AI app. Now, yes, there is two option in this application. First, you can talk to like a real person, connect with a real people just like you. And if you really want to improve your English and you have no one, so you are thinking like, okay, how nice would it be if someone talk to me in English. Okay, so don't worry, you can talk to just like your learners that you are learning English speaking skill. And yes, there are some people, they really want to enhance their English fluency. So yes, you can talk to the strangers or partner. Yes, there is also a second option like AI tool. You can talk to AI application, and AI application name is, I mean to say AI robot name is Arya. Okay, and yes, she can talk to you in English and she will guide you, she will correct your sentence. So yes, and yes, the important feature that I'm going to share with you in this video, and this is the best feature in this application. So feature name is streak. Okay, when you complete your streak, okay, so it will give you some points. Okay, and when you complete your streak without any break, minimum 100 days, so believe me, your fluency that you really want to improve will be here after 100 days. Believe me, you don't need to go anywhere for learning this language. You don't need to read so much books for learning English speaking skill. You can easily be fluent in English by following 100 days streak. Now I'm going to show you how to use this application. So first, for this application, what you need to do, you need to just go to the Play Store and download Civi. Okay, I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone. So I'm going to just open this application. So yes, I'm going to open this application, and you can see the logo. This is the logo. Now I'm going to open this. No. Okay, so when open, you can see the logo. This is the logo, and yes, there is two options, like connect with co-learners or connect with Arya. Okay, so now I'm going to touch practice now. Okay, and it will take some time.
Hi Rita, how are you?
I'm fine, and are you rocks?
No, my name is Sunny. I picked this name from
Okay, it's your nickname.
Yeah.
Okay, so Rox, where are you from? First of all, I would like to say good evening, Rox, and how are you?
Yeah, good evening. I'm good. And what about you?
I'm fine too. Thank you for asking. And Rox, okay, I forget your name actually. So
My
Rox,
name is Sunny. I'm from Tamil Nadu, South India.
okay, your
what
name
about
is
you?
Sunny. Actually, my name is Rita, and I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
So,
What do you do?
actually, I'm a teacher. And how about you?
Yeah, I'm working for state government. I'm agriculture officer.
Okay, that sounds great. So you are working person. So yes. So tell me something about your state, about Tamil Nadu. How was the weather?
Yeah. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is a southmost state in southmost state in India.
Yeah.
So it's located almost places as coastal area.
Yeah.
And it's considered of lot of historical places in Tamil Nadu. You can see.
Yeah,
And,
I think I can say Tamil Nadu is the place, state, which is known by the temples.
yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah. And there is historical temples
Yeah.
in Tanjavur and Mathura.
Yeah, Madurai, just like Madurai, Meenakshi temple.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So, Rox, so what do you do?
I'm working for state government.
Okay, state government. Actually, yes, I am also working in a state government. I am a teacher. And so, yes, by profession, we are the same, like, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, you are living in a currently, Tamil Nadu or anywhere?
Yeah, I'm in Tamil Nadu, in Coimbatore state.
Coimbatore district. Okay. That's nice.
And how many languages you know?
Actually, I know only Hindi or English.
Okay.
And you know about Hindi language?
I'm trying to learn Hindi. I can understand Hindi, but I can't speak.
Okay. Don't worry. Actually, I think your native language is Tamil, and just like Tamil for me.
And, Malayalam and English, three languages.
Okay, so you know so many languages, 2-3 languages, but actually I only know 2 languages, Hindi or English. So
yeah, I also learn Hindi. I am trying to learn Hindi.
Yeah, actually Hindi language, which is is spoken by everywhere, most of the place, I think. So did you see any Bollywood movie in Hindi?
Yes. I see a lot of movies in Hindi, Bollywood.
Okay.
And I can understand the movies and the language.
Yeah.
But what to say, I can't speak fluently.
Okay. So did you hear any song in Hindi?
Yes. In South India, a lot of Hindi movies songs are famous.
Okay, so do you like any actresses in a Hindi movie? In Bollywood?
Yeah. Yes.
Which?
You can say Aishwarya and
Wow.
Kareena and Anushka and recently Alia Bhatt and Deepika.
Yeah. So yeah, actually Aishwarya is my favorite, and also my favorite currently, because my perception changed when Kangana Ranaut. I liked Kangana Ranaut most, because I think she has a warrior spirit. So that's why I'm liking her.
Okay, great.
Okay. So
and, did you see any South Indian movie?
Actually, I'm not. But whenever I find, so hello, yes, it is stop. Now I'm going to submit. Okay, and okay. 5-star diya, and here 8 friend, and yes, I'm going to submit this application now. Okay, and when you feel, and this is your first streak, so please maintain your streak minimum 100 days, and believe me, after 100 days you will find like your English fluency will be here, but you have to consistent. Now when you feel okay, you are not satisfied by conversation and you want to do more conversation, then you can go to continue learners. Okay, now I'm going to touch continue learners and keep going. Okay, and yes, there is 29 coins that I won after doing conversation. So here yes, there are so many benefit. Okay, and live speaking practice with co-learners. No, live I'm not going to live home screen. Okay, and yes, there is some problem. Okay, connect with your co-learners. Okay, I'm just going to connect. Hello. Okay, Nikhil. So yeah. So Nikhil, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Actually, I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. And Nikhil, where are you from?
I'm from UP.
Oh, I'm same. I'm from UP Uttar Pradesh, in Jhansi district. So, in which districts do you belong?
So actually, currently I'm in Mathura for studying purpose. I'm doing my engineering here from here.
Okay, Mathura, and it is near to Jhansi, I think, very near.
Yeah.
So yes, I'm
Not so far.
Yeah. So do you know about Rani Lakshmibai, Queen or Rani Lakshmibai?
Yeah. Your voice is not clear actually.
Okay, so do you know about Queen Rani Lakshmibai?
Yeah. I know.
Okay, so
She's a friend of mine.
yeah. So Nikhil, so I just want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
How many family members have you?
So actually there are 6 members in my family.
Okay. So are you married or not?
No, actually I'm single. Actually currently I'm doing my studies, so my study is not completed yet.
Okay. So okay, you have completed your graduation and you are doing a study.
No. I'm currently doing my graduation engineering.
Okay. So what do you want to become in your future life? What do you want to be?
Because I'm doing engineering, so I want to be an engineer.
Wow, that's great. I know there are so many people they are doing their graduation, but their job is totally different. I found so many people, so many students. So that's why I am asking this question from you.
Yeah, they change their domains because they are not interested in their field. That's why I think people choose different fields.
Okay. Yes. And
so what?
Yeah.
So what are you doing currently? Like you are doing a job?
Okay, actually, currently I am doing my job. I am a teacher in a basic school, government teacher, and I teach all the subject, and I have to teach actually all the subject which needed. And yes, in class 6 to 8, I teach English subject because this is my specialty in English subject. So actually I am a teacher, but there is a problem like I don't know how to speak. So speaking is my problem. Speaking was my problem. So that's why I am using different kind of apps just like this. So yes, that's all about me. And tell me something about yourself, Nikhil.
So I am from Muradabad actually. So I belongs to Muradabad, and I currently living in Mathura for my engineering, and my hobby is to do courts and love to play badminton, and I go to gym daily. That's all about me.
Wow. So gym. So do you want to lose your weight or do you want to build up your six packs?
For muscles.
Not
six pack, for muscle building.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yes, that's great, and I hope New Year will give you so many opportunity, and I hope you get your goal. So it was wonderful conversation with you. Now I'm going to leave this conversation because I have some work for doing. So okay. Bye, Nikhil.
Okay, bye. Have a good.
Same. Okay, when you doing your conversation, you can find this thing. So yes, I'm going to 5 star because this conversation was good and I feel satisfied because other person, you know, help me to engage me by doing some conversation, by putting some different question. So yes, this is the best conversation. Now I'm going to submit this conversation. And yes, there is also an option, if you find satisfy, if you find okay this person is good, then you can, there is an option like add friend. So yes, I add this friend because whenever I feel okay this person is good for me, and then I can again, you know, connect with that person. Okay, so yes, this is the best application. Please use this application, and believe me, this application, only this application will improve your English fluency. There is no need for other application. There is no need to go anywhere for learning this language. There is no need that someone will come, then you will start speaking English. You can practice in English with this only one application. So this is the best application, and I used this application a lot whenever I get some time, but I try to maintain my streak. And yes, this is my first day because I, you know, I have broken my streak. So again I uploaded this application on my Android phone, and this is my first streak. I try to maintain my streak minimum 100 days. Okay, so yes, that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.